The keyboard is one of the most important components of your computer. It can make or break your experience with a device. A great keyboard offers comfort, accuracy, and speed. You want to be able to type without feeling fatigued or making mistakes. But not all keyboards are created equal. Some offer better typing experiences than others, some have more features than others, and some are even better for gaming. This guide will show you how to find the perfect custom keyboard for you so that you can enjoy it while working or playing on your computer. In today's video, we will show you the top 5 best custom keyboards. So, let's get started. Starting of our list at number 5, EUSO TKL Gaming Keyboard. The original blue switch was used to equip this mechanical keyboard. It has a lifespan of 50 million keystrokes, 2.8 mm distance to actuation, and 65 G actuation force. This provides a faster response time, crisp click sound, and spring typing pleasure. The high-quality ABS and 1:1 PBT keycaps offer a great touch experience. Keylight features 18 adjustable backlight modes. 8 backlight modes with adjustable backlight, 8 built-in gaming backlight modes, and 2 customizable modes. 4 RGB side lighting modes. This allows you to enjoy the ultimate gaming experience. You can adjust the height of the keypads with the foldable back kickstands or step design. This will reduce finger fatigue. The keyboard also comes with 2 extra orange keycaps. These unique, double-shot injection molded keycaps offer elegant and clear uniform backlighting that is not glaring and can never be scratched or worn out. The gaming keyboard is compact at 87 keys and provides a faster game response. It also frees up desk space, allowing you to do more work. Anti-ghosting technology allows all of the 87 keys to be used simultaneously, providing a quick typing response. The keyboard is plug and play and does not require any software. Here is the item number 4, Womier K87 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. This gaming keyboard is made from PMMA organic glass material 360O transparent glass panel. It's ideal for home and office use. Long-term, ergonomic design. No fatigue. The TKL keyboard is divided into RGB modes, with the main keyboard RGB and a round light RGB. These modes show different backlight effects and waves, doubling your playability. These modes will make gaming and typing at night more enjoyable. The mechanical gaming keyboard uses hot swap switches. Simply plug it in and go. You can adjust the 3-5-pin mechanical switches to suit your needs. It's made for those who are passionate about individuality and excellence. The PBT double-shot keycap is more resistant to oil and harder. It also has a higher light transmittance, which gives it a great lighting effect. All keys are compatible. Multiple buttons can be pressed simultaneously to trigger commands without interference or conflict. You will enjoy the joy of playing games. The item number 3, Yunzi ISK61. The hot swap keyboard comes with an optical switch that allows you to swap switches without the need for soldering. The keyboard can be protected by IP55. Long-term comfort with an ergonomic keyboard. The PBT dye sublimation keycap makes typing more comfortable and provides better quality. 3-layer editable download function, FN1/FN2/FN3 user-defined. With the driver, you can configure massive lighting effects and approximately 16.8 million color RGB effects. It can be carried in a backpack. Its minimalistic design allows you to do more with less. It requires less hand movement, but still allows you to access all functions. You can configure the driver with huge lighting effects. Number 2 on our list, Motospeed MSCK62 Wired. This keyboard has a compact, portable, lightweight design and a concise outlook. This keyboard is built for durability, greater responsiveness, and longer life expectancy. They are made of high-quality materials and have been tested for 50 million keystrokes. Built-in utilizes a 1300 mAh battery which offers up to 10 hours wireless usage under regular circumstances, standby time 480 hours, which means a few days life cycle on a single charge. The battery has an on-off switch that can be used to save power when it is not being used or transported. Bluetooth LE 3.0 can be used wirelessly. Bluetooth LE 3.0 supports common game mode button backlights and custom recording key backlight functions. Double-shot injection molded keycaps. It provides transparent and translucent backlight and letters. It is extremely durable and won't scratch. It is the perfect mechanical keyboard for home or office use. Mini keyboard with a single number gaming keypad. The top one in our list, Epomaker Skylung SK61. It uses the renowned Gateron optical switch, which is also hot swappable. Hot swap has proved to be very popular with players. This feature allows you to personalize your own mechanical keyboard with more options. The driver can set all types of keyboard functions, including macro record and personalization, through the 3-layer programmable mode, F1/FN2/FN3. If the keyboard is not connected to the internet, the configuration can be saved to the flash memory unit. The SK61 has an N-key rollover. You can enjoy it freely while simultaneously pressing multiple keys. RGB is a great element to use while playing video games. This model comes equipped with RGB SMD lights. SK61 is fully aware of your requirements. There are more than 16.8 million lights available. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best custom keyboards amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like. Comment your valuable opinion and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.